If you haven't looked inside your computer case for a while, it's probably full of dust. To clean it, many people use compressed air cans. The Compu Cleaner is a great alternative. It has a mains-powered 500-watt electric motor which takes in air from a well-filtered intake at the bottom and outputs it as a high-pressure stream. The blast of air produced is surprisingly powerful and certainly comparable to that from a compressed air can. The main advantage of the Compu Cleaner is that it only blows air. This means that you can hold it at any angle and be sure that no moisture or deposits will get on your computer components. The device comes with 3 different outlet attachments and looks a bit like an oil can with a braided cable. Swapping attachments is easy and only requires a small twist to secure. Operating the Compu Cleaner is also straightforward. You simply point the nozzle and hold down the power button at the top of the handle. When you initially press down the power button to turn on the Compu Cleaner, there is a slight kickback as the motor starts. It's therefore probably best to turn on the air duster before moving the nozzle into a confined space, so that you don't accidentally knock fragile computer components. Aside from this initial small kickback, however, the device is really easy to handle with one hand. The Compu Cleaner delivers consistent high pressure for as long as you hold down the power button. The motor will heat up if you run the air duster continuously for too long, so it's best to operate the device in short bursts. That being said, I used it to clean my computer over the course of 30 minutes or so and held down the power button for up to 10 seconds at a time. I found that the air remained relatively cool and the motor continued to deliver instant high pressure blasts. Currently, you can pick up the Compu Cleaner for $49.99 in the UK or $44.99 in the US. Obviously, that's more than the cost of a compressed air can, but when you consider the fact that this electric air duster never runs out alongside its other benefits, it's a no-brainer.